So this is how you can customize the new control center on your iPhone iOS 18. Scroll down from the right, and here we are. Now, this may be kind of overwhelming if you're a new iOS 18 user and you just came from iOS 17 or below, but I'm going to teach you everything. So we have three different tabs. The first one is your favorite ones. Tap on the plus button at the top left in order to add more icons. So let's say tap on add a control. If you want to add a scan code, you can do that as well. Or whatever buttons these are, whatever buttons you want to add, you can do so as well. It's actually very fun and customizable. You could put this at the bottom if you want to. You could put this at the top where it belongs. Well, I actually can't put it back anymore. I don't know why, but I'm sure it's going to work. But basically, you can customize it however you want to. You can add more controls. Just read what you need. For example, if you need a camera in your controls, you can do that. An alarm, a timer, a text size, if that even matters. But now let's move on to the second tab, which is the music. Now, you could even add another control. You could remove the music altogether, or you could add a new tab if you want to. If you're playing any music, it's going to show here, and you could skip, or you could basically just scroll through the music. And now the third one, which is your internet. You can see your Wi-Fi over here, your AirDrop, your cellular data, and your Bluetooth. Once again, you could switch these off or basically just change them if you want to. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to just edit anything, tap on the plus button and then move these around like you would. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.